The fact that the autopsy results came out inconclusive is one thing that I don't, it's hard to accept.
In a shocking revelation, the widow of the late Mohbad Aloba, Wunmi, has opened up about how she had to escape from her husband's family with her son, Liam. During an interview with media personality Chud, Wunmi opened up on how her father-in-law played a vital role in the complexity of her husband's case. According to her, the night Mohbad died, the manager of Mohbad wanted to get the nurse who injected Mohbad with the wrong medication arrested. However, Mr. Aloba instructed that the nurse be left alone. She said,
Husband's management wanted to get the nurse arrested that night, but he asked us to let her go. That he does not have any business with her.
The father-in-law asked them to let the nurse go.
That we should let her go. That he doesn't have any business with her. And he despite the begging that a lot of people begged him not to bury my husband, but he insisted I was going to bury. In fact, even the day they wanted to bury my husband, they didn't inform me. I got to know online.
You were not informed that you were going to bury your husband.
However, Wunmi said she had to rush to the burial grounds to confirm the news. She also alleged that an attempt was made to snatch her son, Liam, from her, an action that forced her to wrap her little boy in a plastic bag just to escape with him. In her words,
Mr. Chu, a whole lot has happened. Even the day my husband, even the day of his burial, they wanted to kidnap Liam from me at the scene. Like, my father-in-law and there's one woman. The woman is like, I don't know. I don't want to call it. The woman is, but they have a relationship. They have a close relationship.
We will continue to monitor this story for more new development. You can as well drop your opinion in the comment box section. Please stay tuned to NaijaNews TV.